First of all, Xiaomi Philippines did it. Finally, nagkaroon na rin tayo ng Ultra phone here in the Philippines. Since Xiaomi 11 Ultra, nagkaroon ng leak si TechBuff PH and na-sanction tayo ng 5 units. Until now, we finally get one. Now, si Xiaomi 17 Ultra here in the Philippines, yung normal variant kasi hindi lalabas yung kanya Leica variant or tawag nila Lights Phone variant, it will be priced at 99,999, which is quite whopping, and nung nag-predict ako, sabi ko 6 digits yan. Pero piso na lang short of a 6-digit na smartphone by Xiaomi. Now, ano mga freebies na meron mo if you buy it early bird? Meron ka 18,999 worth na Xiaomi Watch 5 and you get a photography kit na worth 8,999. And naka-promo price siya right now at 84,999 if you buy it early for a very limited period. Actually, it will only run from March 3 to 19. So, if you're interested, guys, nandyan lang sa description box below. But right now, we're going to talk about financial literacy. Ko-compare natin si Xiaomi 17 Ultra na China ROM variant and yung kanyang global ROM variant. Ang Xiaomi 17 Ultra in China na may 12 gigs of RAM, 512 gigs of storage would start at a 64,000 peso na price point. And kung ni-level up natin ang kanyang playing field 16.512 na pareho, it will cost you 68,000 pesos. And that's basically a 32,000 pesos na price difference. Now with that amount of money, ano nga ba ang magagawa mo? Pwede mo itipid yan, pambili ng next smartphone mo, or pwede mo i-invest yung pera mo to let it grow. Or you can always save it as pang-emergency funds mo, or invest it somewhere para lumaki yung pera mo. Na kung isipin mo naman yung mga freebies ng global variant, lahat naman yan nakapatong lang din sa'yo. 19,000 na watch, 9,000 na photography kit, lahat yan nakapatong lang sa'yo. And if you simply do the math, nagbayad ka ng 84,999, then iles mo yung dalawang freebies na yon, ito ang cost ni Xiaomi, 57,000 pesos. Which hindi pa sila nalulugi dyan. Now, which leads me to think, gano'ng kalaki nga ba pinapatong ni Xiaomi Philippines sa kanilang mga smartphones? At a 57,000 pesos, guys, hindi pa sila nalulugi dyan. Now, I believe that the moment that it hits 99,999, may bibili pa ba nun? Which of course boils me down na you can always check for a alternative like the China ROM variant. 68,000 pesos ang kanyang China ROM counterpart. And pag bumili ka ng Lights Phone counterpart ng Xiaomi 17 Ultra sa China ROM variant, which is the Leica variant, tingnan nyo guys, so 82,000 pesos lang. So there's still a 18,000 pesos na difference if you buy yung global variant na non-Leica variant versus yung China ROM variant na Lights Phone or Leica variant. Meron ka pang savings ng 18,000 pesos, guys. And with that 18,000 pesos, you can buy yung mga simpleng Xiaomi Band 10, you can buy yung photography kit na China ROM, siguro nasa 8.5, you can always save money. Now, itong video na ito is not promoting China ROM, but I'm just teaching you yung financial literacy. With your extra savings, saan mapupunta, pwede mo tipid, pwede mo emergency fund, pwede mong ipambili ng another smartphone para sa parents mo or your loved ones. I'm just teaching you how to be practical. So if you're interested on more videos like this one, how to be financially literate, comment on the comment section below and let me know kung ano pa mga gusto nyong malaman about mga smartphones na pwede ko pag-compare. And we'll try to make a video on that. But with that said, if you're still interested sa global variant, nandyan na yung link sa description box below. Or if you're interested sa China ROM variant, I'll also pop it on the description box below. So paano yan? Hanggang dito muna. I'll see you soon. Bye! And so, ako para si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.